So we received a grant from NIDCD, which is over 1.8 million in the next 5 years, to study how the sense of smell can be maintained and how it is repaired after injury. There's a stem cell in the olfactory system which regenerate olfactory sensory neurons through the whole life, which also maintain your sense of smell. So our studies focus on how we can improve the regenerative capacity of the stem cell so that we can improve the smell function.
So losing the sense of smell is very prevalent in aging population. So it was important for the elderly to recover the sense of smell. Nowadays it became more important because of the pandemic. COVID-19 is making people lose a sense of smell. Most of them recover, but some people who have loss of sense of smell for longer periods of time might benefit from the results of our research. We hope that by using small molecules, like the ones that we propose in the grant application, we can develop therapeutic treatments for people to use and to recover from losing the sense of smell.